How to sign out of Google account remotely on all devices. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is click on the account that you want to sign out of. So I want to sign out of this account, so click on the account and then manage your Google account. And then when you click on the manage your Google account, you will be sent to this page. Now you have to go to the security page, and then you have to scroll down and you have to see the your devices. And I am using this account in only one devices, so will show up only one devices. So if you uh, have used this account from uh, more devices, so there is also the more options for your more devices. So what you have to do, if you want to uh, delete this account, then I cannot delete this account. But if you have more option, then here is option, there are three dots, and there is also option of delete, so you can delete it. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and have a good day.